too late. Even the weather changes. Winter turns into summer. Life doesn't go straight. But no reason to live as a beast and cover ourselves with the housing of humans. No way. Take my hand. Give me yours as well. Smile, and I smile back to you. Feed me your mercy, and I feed you my happiness. Never see me as your burden. I am your partner.
Alone I can't study.
Alone, I can't please my family.
Alone I can't smile.
Alone, I can't succeed.
Alone, I can't be happy.
Alone, I can't live.
Hey, darling. What's happened? By the way, I'm fed up. You always value your job, your dreams and wants. But you can't give me at least 1 hour to talk. Why?
Shut up!
Why?
Now open your ears and get me well. Do you think if I do not go to job, can you have something to eat? Looking beautiful and smart as you are? And I hate me, and talk to you. Talk to me what? Go and talk to your children. Listen to me very carefully. There is nothing ever in this world that has value like my job and my dreams. Stupid wife.
Hey mom,
Hey.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Mom, you know what? Now I'm so happy. Tomorrow I go to school.
Yes,
I have everything. I've got laptop, I have a books,
Yes.
and I have seen you driver. Mom, thanks for this. But you know what, mom?
Tell me.
I know you love me.
Yes,
and
I love you.
and mom,
Yes, tell me.
I just want to ask you just one thing. Mom, could you please escort me tomorrow?
Shut up! You have books, you have pen, you have Kindle, and you have everything. And you wanted me to escort you. If you don't want to study, it's up to you, I don't care.
Dear,
Yes, mother.
you know that I love you so much.
I know that, and I really appreciate that.
But I'm afraid that because we are poor.
It is fine. Materials doesn't matter to me.
Listen to me. I will be all my best
Yes,
to
mother.
fulfill your life.
Yes, mother. And I'm going to study very hard so that I can get us out of here.
Yes.
And tomorrow I'm going to school.
Of course I go with you.
Thank you, mother.
So, Red Thanks. You, go first.
Go first.
And now you are out. You.
You're not good.
So,
What if
you dance, man. You dance. Now you are out. You.
You're not good, by the way.
Do it. You see, she's very good.
There's almost trying.
Oh, she's coming.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
teacher.
teacher.
You are dancing when you have zeros. So, Robert and Denise, stay here. You can go out. Denise,
Yes, teacher.
congratulations.
Thank you.
You are the first in the class. Robert, you are the last in the class. So, Denise,
Yes,
I
teacher.
want you to help him.
I promise.
So, Robert,
Have you heard the teacher?
Do you think you can help me, please?
The teacher told me to help you with studies, not with money. Money doesn't matter here. And if you want to go, then let's go.
I'm asking, how many marks do you have?
I've got 80 out of 100.
8?
And how much do you have? Oh, the paper is even there. So,
I've got 5.
don't you think you need my help? You're always like that. You always feel alone, you always feel selfish. Why is that?
You know, I've got everything. I have a very big family. I have laptop. I have a car. I have money. I have everything.
Don't repeat that, I already know that.
But the only problem that I have is just one.
What's that?
In my family, always my father is fighting. He doesn't just give me 1 minute to talk to him. He doesn't care about my life. He doesn't care about. And I don't know why I'm here.
No, I understand you. There are a lot of families out here who are like that. But don't worry. I promise to be your friend. Take my hand, I'll take yours. And you can always lean on me.
Thanks.
And you know the song? Lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on.
I'm an African because there is Africa. I'm a child because you are a mother. I'm happy because you are here. I'm a singer because you listen to my songs. I'm secured because you provide security. I'm a doctor because you are a patient. I'm not crying because I have your shoulder. I'm speaking because you are listening to me. I'm not shaking because you comfort me. We are a nation. I am because you are.